How to report inappropriate content on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about reporting inappropriate content on TikTok. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of TikTok application on your mobile device and you're also logged in with your specific account. Now, if you see any inappropriate content on TikTok, what you have to do is simply tap on the share icon in the bottom. Once you do that, you will see the option of report in the bottom left corner of the screen that is just below the repost option. Tap on it. Now, from this page, you have to select a reason that you're reporting this content. Let's tap on dangerous activities and challenges. Now, considering this reason, you just have to click on submit button in the bottom of the screen that is highlighted in red color. And after that, you can also hide the content from this specific profile. And you can also turn on restricted mode. And after that, click on done. And that's it. This is exactly how you can report inappropriate content on TikTok. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.